This is a question about divorce, but we also have things where somebody loses a spouse after 40, 50 years. And then it calls into question, what's the survivorship on the pension and what's my Social Security going to be? All of those things really can change, whether it's a divorce, whether it's a death of a spouse. And those big changes, you're not really supposed to make any big decisions in those first 6 to 12 months is kind of what people tell you. But with finance and these situations, you have to. You can't typically wait that long. And so it's important to have people that you trust and that you can depend on to help you make those decisions.